Hi guys, welcome back. How do you guys think about my videos? You feel free to email me if you have any suggestions or comments. I would like to hear back from you. So do you guys familiar with this question? Aha, right. This is the assignment from last week. So I would like to talk about this one. If you don't watch my video, you will miss it. Okay? So the answer key will be in this video. So for this question, basically we want to name all the segments here or lines. So first, we can start from PB because this is the shortest one. And as we know, like we are really familiar with that. This is center. This is the B, so PB, which is with that segment PB will be the radius. Okay, that's the radius. And next one is another segment we are really familiar with is AC. So for AC, this is the path through the center. So we will call it diameter. Okay, and the rest segments or lines, not like we just learned it lately. One is segment DC and segment BC. Those two, they are the points, like both endpoints are on the circle, but those are now passing the center. So those two segments we call chord. Remember from the previous video, I introduced what is a chord. So two endpoints on the circle, that's a chord. Of course, diameter is a chord as well. Okay, diameter is a special chord. And now the last but not latest is CE. This is a line. This is not segment. So line CE, which touch the circle at point C. Okay, just touch the circle at point C. So this line, we call it tangent. That's what we talked about last time. So the tangent is line CE, and the point C, we call it tangency. We call it tangency. Okay? So that is how to name the segments in the circle. Next one. Okay. Next one is we want to find the degree of the arc. So I want to find this arc and this arc, which is arc CA and the arc AB. I also want to find the degree of arc CAB. Okay, let's see one by one. Because angle COA, this is central angle. Okay, so the central angle is the degree will be the arc degree. Okay, they are the same degree. So since 105 is the central angle, so the arc to this central angle will be the same, which is 105 degree. Okay, and next is the next is right here. The central angle AOB is 49. So the arc for the central angle 49 will be the same 49 degree. And the arc which is CAB. That is the arc CA plus arc AB, right? Arc CA plus arc AB. Then we just add them up, which is gonna be 154 degree. Okay? So that's the 2 reviews from last time. All right. Thank you for listening. See you next time.